choice today with the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, tow hitch, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.